everybody, my name is Luke Marr and this is Hot Mode, and today on Hot Mode we're getting into the F1 movie premiere red carpet fashion roast and review. There were a lot of people that arrived for the red carpet of this F1 upcoming movie, and I want to talk about some of the looks, and also because people were like, I need you to talk about the F1 drivers. Without further ado, let's get into it. Starting off, we have Alexandra, Albon, and Lily Muni. Now, listen, I think that Alexandra looks good. I don't think it's the most exciting thing ever. I just feel like the F1 driver should have a little bit more pizzazz. I don't know. I think Lewis Hamilton kind of like changed my mind about them. I expect better, but this is fine. It's a nice double-breasted, and I feel like the double-breasted for men is having its moment. People are really into it. This one fits him well. He's quite tall. The pants are tailored. The shoes, fine. They fit. I don't expect too much. As for Lily, I think this is nice. I never really love when pieces sort of have those little asymmetrical bumps where this fitted bodice sort of meets this gathered skirt, but like, to each their own. It's not horrific looking. It could be worse. It's just, it looks like a bodysuit. Now, next up we have Brad Pitt and Ines de Ramon. Now, Brad Pitt is wearing Anderson and Sheppard, and Ines is wearing Fendi. I think this is Fendi Haute Couture. I think Brad looks really good. Double-breasted moment. It's also this green, like this beautiful, not dark, not light, just sort of like perfect middle of the road, crisp green. I think that the buttons are absolutely luscious. The minty green shirt underneath and bandana underneath that in a darker green also sort of helps to, again, layer. I think it's a good thing to layer colors, especially right now. Doesn't hurt. They're all similar shades of the same color, but they're not the same shade. I think he looks good. Even like the brown shoe, whoever's styling Brad knows what they're doing. As for Ines, I think this is nice. It's not my favorite thing in the entire world. I think my big issue is the straps. We see it at the bodice, and then it sort of creates this halter. I wish maybe it didn't create a halter. I wish it just was shoulder straps. I think the halter is a little odd, especially when you have that almost bugle bead looking embellishment there. And then the rest of the dress is this gold and silver sequin style, some sort of motif running all throughout it. I just wish that we had had one or the other. I wish we had had the design on this neckline and strap, or we'd had the full dress embellishment all throughout. Like, I don't need the two of them. And especially right at like a centerpiece like the bust line, I don't need the drama there, because the drama is unnecessary. It's not working. As for the bag, very cute, very into it. Love the little baguette with a little fringe, very sweet. Overall, they both look nice. Next up, we have Carlos Sainz Jr. Carlos looks like he's going to a friend's birthday party at the local brewery, maybe a gastro pub, but doesn't look like he's going to a premiere of a movie. It's just a blue suit, a little gray jersey sweater, and a brown shoe. And I say, hi, King. One, the pants, a little tight, a little too skinny jean adjacent for my liking. It's giving straight man. And that's fine, but not on red carpet. You should have like a little sugar in the tank at a red carpet. Next up, we have Charles Leclerc, and we have Alexandra Mleux. I think she looks really nice. Black dress, super simple, body stunning. It's not really super exciting, but it works. As for Leclerc, I believe that he's wearing Saint Laurent. I feel like I can tell from the tie. I bought a similar suit, just a darker beige. I had to stop myself from buying the tie because she was pricey. Again, double-breasted, take note. But I just don't like the way the pants hit the shoe. And again, it just feels a little like communion suity. Maybe it's the angle. Just feels little kid dressed up. And maybe it's the black patent leather shoe. I don't really understand the need, appeal, the point of a patent leather shoe. The jacket up, cool. It's just the fit of the pant or the way it hits and that angle and the shoe that I'm like, no. Now, next up we have Damson Idris, who I believe is wearing Tommy Hilfiger here. I think this is nice. I actually really quite like it because it's a beautiful chalk pinstripe three-piecer. Gorgeous double-breasted. I'm telling you, the double-breasted, she is the moment. She is that girl. I like the waistcoat, and I like that he's not wearing a shirt underneath the waistcoat. I like the pant. I love the boot, because that's a boot. That's not a dress shoe. It's a boot. I can tell it's a boot. It works. I think the square toe is nice. The jewelry in gold is absolutely luscious. No complaints. And then we have Damson Idris again wearing Tommy Hilfiger, and this time, again, double-breasted suit, but it's cream. I don't like this almost sheer trouser because I can see the pockets. Like, when you look right below the suit jacket, I don't want to see your pockets. It's not that it's like an awful thing to see, but like I can also see the inseam of the trouser. I don't know if that's the vibe. I think it throws off the classic cut and trouser, and I don't think it's the moment. Love the jewelry with the gold and the rings and the watch. Like, it looks good. And then the no shirt again works on him. I think he pulls it off well. I think the shoes are fine. It's just those sheer pants. Next up, we have Ed Sheeran. I feel like I'm saying cheer a lot, but I feel like he's trying, and I see it, and I appreciate it. It's just not working to me. This icy blue silk suit t-shirt maybe is not the vibe here. It just looks a little unprofesh. And then on top of it, the sneaker. Not the dunk, babe. No dunks with the suit. I also feel like maybe the pant leg could be a little wider. It's a little too tapered for me. Not feeling it. Next up, we have Esteban Ocon and Flavy Barla. I think they both look good. I think that they collaborated for this moment. The black on black, really beautiful. He seems tall and seems like he has a good tailor that likes him, because those pants, yes, they are skinny, but they fit him. This tuxedo sort of style, I'm into it. Love her dress. It's not really anything crazy. I think she looks beautiful. They could be going to a wedding right after this, and I'd say, okay, great. It works. It's nice. Next up, we have Gabriel, Bortoleto, and Isabela Bernardini. Don't love. One, we just had a great example of the black on black. It works really well together. The navy blue and the black doesn't work as well together. The double-breasted suit jacket, fine. The pant is fine by itself, but then you paired it with a sneaker that also is like a light blue. I hope it's not a denim. I'm gonna say it's a suede. I don't want to see a sneaker with a beautiful suit like that. When you have a white sole and then a different color upper, I say you're cheating. It looks like you're trying to get out of it. If she could wear a heel, you could wear a dress shoe. As for Isabela, I don't really love it. I don't really have like a huge obsession with asymmetrical dresses nor bling bling necklines. I don't know her. I don't really expect fashion diva from her. Next up, we have George Russell. He's also wearing a double-breasted suit. The white sneakers, I guess, like a little bit better, but like, how much better is it really? It's fine. It's there. It's existing. I'm not living. I'm not laughing. I'm not loving. I don't hate it. Next up, we have Isack Hadjar. I hate it so much. One, who let him close the bottom button of the suit jacket? You never close the bottom. Two, the pant. It's fine. It's a tough pant to pull off at certain heights. I say that as somebody that's 5'7". The sneaker, I don't think really gives off what we want it to give off. Again, like, you're wearing a dunk. I don't know, babe. The watch, we could put it away. And lastly, no Hugo t-shirt. I'm sorry. I get it. Hugo Boss. They make a suit. I don't need you to wear a t-shirt underneath your suit jacket, especially not when it says Hugo on it. We got it. Hugo Boss. Great. Wonderful. Love that. But no. Next up, we have Kerry Condon. She's wearing Valentino. I don't want to know. It's a no. The dress fits her well, and that's great, and that's wonderful. But I just think it's ugly. The black satin skirt, sure. But then it's the red, yellow, white sequin pattern thing, and I'm trying to figure out if it's like because the rear lights of a race car. That's my only thought of it, because I can't comprehend why we would wear something so absolutely atrocious. And then, to make matters worse, like, we couldn't just stop there. We had to add a scoop neck, crazy scoop neck, and a lace plug and play. What is that? What is happening? One is like, I want to be sultry and dark and beautiful and gorgeous. And then the other one says, party, party, I want to go race car driving. They're not clicking to me. I don't understand. So I hate this. Next up, we have Lando Norris. He's wearing, again, double-breasted. I'm telling you, it is the moment. I don't want to see where your knee starts that the pants taper in. It's not a cute look, especially not with a sneaker. I'm sure that we're collecting a nice check, so you should have a tailor that knows what they're doing. Diva, get it together. Next up, Lewis Hamilton. Finally, somebody that gets it. Now, I believe that this is from Lewis's own collaboration or capsule collection with Dior Men from when Kim Jones was at Dior. I like it. I like this jacket a lot. It's really beautiful. To me, it reminds me a lot of very Christian Dior construction, haute couture, et cetera, et cetera. You can see those beautiful darts. So obviously there's this gorgeous seam at the waist, sort of helps to sort of build out. Normally I'm like, waist, seam, don't love. But for menswear, it's kind of different because I feel like you don't normally get that. The seams that run from around, like, I don't know, the pectoral, collarbone, shoulder area down into that seam, that's called a dart. And and those darts essentially helped suck in and create a little bit more tightness in the figure. And so I think it works. It's this beautiful, I feel like it's a pale pink. It might be a white or a cream. Just so different and interesting and cool. And the fact that that's his capsule collection, like pop off king. The pant fit, maybe not my favorite. And the shoe, a little out there, satin dress shoe, but like cool. The pant's my big problem, I guess I would say. But even then, I don't really have that big of a problem with it because it's original, it's interesting. I've never seen it before. I'm happy. Next up, we have Liam Lawson. I don't mind the suit. Like, I don't mind a pinstripe. I think the pants fit fine. I don't think they're great, but I think they fit fine. The shoe is okay. Again, it's kind of like a comfy loafer. It's not really like a loafer. It's like a platformy loafer, which has a little comfort to it. I just will never really understand I'm going to open my shirt before the event starts. Like, normally, you sit down and then you pop a button, I don't know, undo the zipper, you got through the part where you had to look nice and now it's time to party. But I don't get the part where you have to look nice and you say, I'm gonna party. So besides that, it's fine. Next up, we have Naomi Campbell, who is wearing Dolce and Gabbana. I think it's nice. I think it's a black fringe style. I like the way that it comes down and becomes a little sheerer. It's nothing to write home about, but she looks good. She looks nice. Next up, we have Pierre Gasly and Francisca Gomez. I think that Francisca looks cool. I think it's an interesting concept. I like the bangle over the dress. It's not my favorite dress ever, but like she's trying to be a little fashion forward, and I see her, I understand her, respect her. As for Pierre, it's fine. It's a little bit funeral suit. It could be worse on him. It's just there. It's happening. But she looks great. He looks fine. Approved. Next up, we have Ray, and I don't know why the people dress her like this. This is a garden party dress. This is my friend is having her engagement party, and I have to go. It's just not good. It just feels a little ugly floral print, a lot of ruching, a lot of gathering, and like I want the Adele treatment for her. She deserves the Adele treatment in some beautiful custom creation where she looks absolutely amazing and is just serving, delivering, devouring. Very rarely happens for her, and I don't like it. Next up, we have Rosie Dwyer. I think this is lovely. I like this halter neck in white. I love the feather boa. I think she looks pretty. I think she looks gorgeous. I think she looks stunning. I think it's the moment. I think it's wonderful. I think it's sweet. I think it's chic, I think it's gorge, I think it's 1940s Hollywood referential, and I'm into it. Now, next up, we have Simone Ashley. She looks great. It's Balmain. It's this two-piece and a biscuit, but in gold. All of these beautiful tiles that are placed to look like alligator scales. I love the peplum. I love the length of it. I like the shoe that she chose. I think it's really appropriate. The high neckline, the gold hoops, like, it just is a cool, interesting, fun, fashionable, chic, you could get into it kind of look. Now, next up, we have Tate McRae, who's wearing Balenciaga. I really love this on her. I think that this drape style in black really doesn't come across as like super drape bed sheety, which Balenciaga can look like. And so I'm into that. I think that it's very bombshell, nipped in waist, high slit, really gorgeous, almost off the shoulder, strappage. Like, I think she looks lovely. The necklace is gorgeous. I'm into this. This works for her. I want more of this. And lastly, we have Yuki Tsunoda. Babe, I don't know what's happening. Double-breasted, but the pant is too long and it's too wide and the shirt is unbuttoned and it's frunkle-runkle. There's too many seams, too many darts. You can see the darts going into the pockets and that's bulking the jacket up. Somebody tried to work on it, but I don't know if there's anything you could do. Sometimes the work just won't work and it just looks like too big of a suit. Yikes. So that is the end of this F1 premiere video. Let's talk about best and worst. Best, Damson Idris twice. Esteban, Ocon, and Flavy Barla in there. I'm going to put Lewis Hamilton, Abby. I'm going to put Tate McRae, Simone Ashley, Rosie Dwyer. And as for worst, it's a lot. Carlos, yikes. Oh, Yuki, Kerry Condon, Lando Norris, Isack Hadjar, and Ray. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. F1 people, I see you. I'm driving right by you and handing this to you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. And TTYL.